Good morning this Wednesday, the 2nd of July. I'm Grady Wolfe, Senior Market Analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed mixed to start the new quarter as investors rotated out of tech stocks to start the new quarter. The Dow Jones rose 0.91%, the S&P 500 fell 0.11%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended the day down 0.82%. Investors are also weighing the latest developments with President Trump's major tax and spending bill, while assessing comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell around the rate outlook in the US. In Europe, overnight markets closed mostly lower as investors monitored the European Central Bank's annual forum in Portugal. The STOXX 600 fell 0.2%, Germany's DAX lost 0.8%, the French CAC closed flat, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.3%. Across the Asia region on Tuesday, markets closed mixed as investors assessed record gains on Wall Street to end June and remain concerned over the global impact of tariffs amid the looming deadline day next week. China's CSI index rose 0.17%, Hong Kong's Seng was closed for a public holiday, Japan's Nikkei fell 1.24%, and South Korea's Kospi index ended the day up 0.6%. The ASX 200 started the new trading month virtually flat as investors regrouped to navigate the start of FY26, with headwinds in the form of geopolitical tensions, trade wars, and elevated valuations creeping in from the last financial year. Over the last 12 months, financial stocks have soared over 26%, led by sector and market heavyweight CBA, which has experienced share price appreciation of 45% as investors flocked to safe haven instruments and investments during the last 12 months of elevated volatility and uncertainty. For the same reason, gold stocks have also been on a tear over the last financial year. Heading into the new financial year, the first session of FY26 was very uneventful as investors still await clarity on the tariff front, particularly on the outcome of talks between the US and China. Both rate-sensitive sectors in tech and real estate stocks offset weakness among industrials and materials stocks on Tuesday. Superannuation takeover target Insignia Financial rallied over 5% yesterday after final takeover bidder CC Capital said it would continue working towards making a binding offer for the company after months and other bidders involved in the deal. And in the healthcare space, Mesoblast shares rose over 8.5% yesterday after the company announced progress of its treatments with the US FDA toward commercialization, with the company intending to file by the end of the year for accelerated approval. On the commodities front this Wednesday morning, oil is trading 0.45% higher at $65.40 a barrel. Gold is up 1.04% at $3,337 an ounce, and iron ore is down 1.12% at $93.41 a tonne. Now, the Australian dollar has weakened against the greenback overnight to buy 65.72 US cents, 94.51 Japanese yen, 47.85 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 8 cents. And ahead of the midweek trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are expecting the ASX will open the day up 0.21%. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has maintained a buy rating on Parenti and have raised a 12-month price target on the company to $1.80 from $1.45, following the announcement of a contract win at the Great Fingall Underground project with West Gold Resources in WA, worth over $200 million over 3 years. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Yancoal following the formation of a pattern over a period of 9 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise, from the close of $5.91 to the range of $6.70 to $6.90, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Wednesday morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.